guys, welcome back to the Buchanan family. Today it is Sunday and there is no church for us. I don't know if I just said good morning, but it's not morning. It's like, it is lunchtime. I do not feel well. You guys, can you hear my voice? How bad does that sound? Thomas is away out with the kids and I don't actually know where he's taking them. I don't know if he's going to film anything for you guys. If he does, you'll see it kind of now. So just me and Poppy, and I'm going to sit down and do some editing. Hello Poppy. My brother just came round to drop off the keys from when he was watching Poppy. He said she was as good as gold. So hi Poppy, what's wrong? What is it? What do you want? What do you want, Poppy? What do you want? You're so funny. Come here, come here. Come get Cuddles. Come get Cuddles. She's like the funniest dog ever. Look at her just rolling on her back. You're funny, Poppy. My babies are home. Guys, who do you think our Gail looks like? Look, he's got the robe on. He's got sandals on. Hi. What are you doing?
I just went.
You just went? What are you doing? The grass does look good. What do you think of the grass, guys? Oh, Ben?
Yeah.
No. What's your name?
Caesar.
Caesar. Caesar. Argyle, come here. You're naked? Don't say that. Who are you dressed up like?
Naked.
Who are you dressed up like?
Naked.
You're not naked. Who are you dressed up like?
I don't know.
You don't know?
A shepherd.
A shepherd. You look
Aye.
good. You look a bit like Jesus.
I know. Ready,
Sky, move that broom out the way so you don't trip over it.
Soon this will have more track because there's going to be grass.
Oh. It's looking good, isn't it? Oh, darling. Soon it needs to grow a little bit more, and then Daddy needs a special roller thing to flatten it down.
Can we water it?
Not just now, but later on, yes you can, okay? Right, go and play, Caesar.
Hi everybody. So this, I think, is the first time that I've been in this vlog today. I do not know, but probably. You can hear in the background it's the boys reading a story, so don't get distracted on that. And if you hear noises, that's them. We went away, me, Dad, Argyle and Open. Mum wasn't feeling well, so me, Dad, Argyle and Open went down to Culzean Castle. It's the one that has a huge woodland park, so it does. And it was building a new part, and the new part is opened. So we had to wear these bands. So we did bands and showed the lady. Then we got in, and you could go down the slope to go into the old bit, which was huge, or go into the new bit. That was also huge, but not as huge. We had such a nice time. I forgot to bring my iPad on the way home. Took an hour and 30 minutes to get home. The boys got to play on their iPad. I left mine in my school bag, and my school bag was in my room, which I am in now. So yeah, and then I never got to play on it, so Dad said, do you want to sit in the front? And I was like, yeah! And it was my first time sitting in the front, so it's been a really good day. And I was just talking to him, and he kept on making loud noises like, ah!
I'm going to finish up our vlog there, guys. I'm still not feeling very well. I feel a little better, but just like not very well still. I still feel like really bunged up. If you guys remember, after all towers in the hotel and the premiere, and I was just feeling like and that night I actually had like a really bad sleep, and I still don't feel great at all. So Thomas is out walking the dog, the kids are in their bed. Tonight we are going to do we're not going to do anything. How bad's that? It's actually really late. It's like nearly 11 o'clock at night. So me and Thomas are, when he comes back from walking the dog, we are gonna like just get to bed because Thomas is back at work tomorrow. Tomorrow it's me and the kids. Summer holidays have started here in Scotland. They started last week. So me and the kids have got like the next 6 weeks to just kind of do whatever we want to do, sort of thing. So I'm not sure what we're going to do tomorrow. I think it'll depend how I'm feeling, and Sky was feeling a little bit off as well, although you could never tell from her vlogs. Honestly, she's so funny. I was watching what she'd vlogged in her room. She's just like, I don't know, she's just such a natural. My voice is not working, my mouth isn't working, but she's so funny. So I'm not sure what we're going to get up to tomorrow. We'll see how we're all feeling. We'll maybe go, I don't know, go out for a walk with the dog, take a trip to the park. I love doing like, what do you call it? It's not bingo, like a treasure hunt type thing. What do you call that? You guys will be shouting out and you'll be like, it's blah, blah, blah. You know, like oh, I can hear the word in my head. Oh, it's going to drive me insane. It's when like you've got like a list of things you need to find. Oh, it's so annoying. So like for instance, you need to find a green leaf or a pine cone and a twig, and then you get your list, and then you like collect your things up. I might do that. The kids like doing that kind of thing. That keeps them busy. And then tomorrow when Thomas comes in from work, I'm going to get to the pool. Well, I'll see how I feel. If I feel bad, I won't go to the pool. But if I feel better, I'll go to the pool, because now that the kids are finished up school, I am going to need to make sure that I get in some time for me, because with them not being at school and nursery, that's when I kind of get like my me time. Like that's when I go, I want to say that's when I go to the gym, but I don't go to the gym, I go swimming. But that's when I go to the swimming pool and, you know, get my exercise in, or I exercise at home, or I take the dog and we go for like a big kind of hikey type walk. So I can't do any of that with them, so I need to make sure that I still manage to get some time in for me. But if you guys have any ideas, like suggestions for activities me and the kids can do over the next 6 weeks or so, leave them in the comments below, because we all need suggestions on what to do in the holidays. And I'm sure there's other parents reading this who will love to read your comments below with your ideas. The comment of the day today for I can't even speak, honestly, I'm so tired. Comment of the day on YouTube today is here on the screen now. Ta-da! And comment of the day on Instagram is now here too. If you would like to be comment of the day tomorrow for either YouTube or Instagram, all you need to do is comment on this video, and it could be comment of the day tomorrow, or go over to our Instagram page, which is the Buchanan family, and leave a comment on one of our pictures there. Now we are almost at 1,000 followers on Instagram, and when we reach 1,000 we are doing a giveaway, so go over and follow us on there. And if you're not already subscribed on this YouTube channel, subscribe. It's the big red button. It's free, doesn't cost anything. It lets us know that you like our stuff. It lets YouTube know that you like our stuff, which also lets YouTube know that you like our stuff if you give it a thumbs up and if you comment in the comment section. So thank you very much for joining us, guys. Thomas should be back any minute. It doesn't really look very dark outside, but it actually is. But Thomas will be back any minute, and I am going to go and get into bed before him. Thanks, guys. Bye. I'd like to I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you.